Welcome to Labii tutorial. Labii is the next-generation research platform that seamlessly integrates electronic lab notebook and laboratory information management system, with high customization and widget extendability for a variety of disciplines. In this tutorial, I will show you how to sign and witness in Labii. This function is widely used in electronic lab notebook. By signing a document in electronic lab notebook, ELN, you certify that the record you generated or witnessed is accurate to the best of your knowledge. A signed document ensures that the data generated meets regulatory requirements, such as FDA 21 CFR Part 11, and others can repeat the results based on the signed document. To begin with, you will need to install an electronic lab notebook, and you will also need the Signers widget if you are going to insert the signatures within the body of your experiment. In this example, I'll create a test record. A record can be signed or witnessed in three ways. 1. Sign as author. Click the Sign as Author button to sign the record as the author. 2. A section with Signers widget. With the Signers widget, you can perform all signing and signer-related functions. 3. Signers tab. Signers and signatures can also be managed in the Signers tab. If you'd like to add co-signers, you can add one or many co-signers with different roles. It is possible to save the list of signing co-signers as the default signers, so that they are automatically added to the record every time the experiment is added. The signers must sign the record in order. The first signer must sign first. After signing, the record will be locked from editing, and the second signer will be notified to sign. The second signer can either continue to sign or reject the signature. In the event of a second signer signing the document, it will further notify the third signer if there is one. If the second signer rejects the signature, the record will revert to editing mode. The first signer will then be notified to update the record. The process will continue until all signers have signed the document. Next, I'll show you how to sign the record. In order to sign, you must enter your login password and draw a signature under the signature field. After signing, the record will be locked, and you will be able to see your digital signature along with the date and time. As the second signer, you are able to witness the document or co-sign it. Here, I will log out and log in as the second signer. A second signer has two options, one is to approve and continue signing, the other is to reject the signatures. Rejecting a signature is similar to signing it. After the experiment has been rejected, the record will roll back to edit mode. The author will need to fix the errors and resign the experiment. I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to our channel to get the most recent updates. To learn more, schedule a meeting with Labii representatives at call.skd.labii.com, or create an account at labii.com/signup, to try it out yourself.